Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can create Google Meet link. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you need to be logged into your Google Meet account, and from here straightforward you will see at the center of your screen uh, this blue button, new meeting. Click on that and now you have three options. So create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. Now, what you can do to get instant link is create a meeting for later right here, and you will get directly this link, and you can copy to your friends and colleagues to share with them. And this is basically it. You created the meeting link. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.